Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Bisi Bele Bath is a traditional dish from Karnataka. Bisi Bele Bath is a flavorsome, spicy and slightly tangy meal made with lentil mixed vegetables and a super aromatic spice powder called Bisibelebath powder. It's packed with plant-based protein, fresh veggies and a plenty of South Indian flavors. This makes for a healthy and wholesome meal. So let's get started. First take 2 cups of rice and 1 cup tur dal. Wash them with running water 2 to 3 times and add it to a pressure cooker. Add 5 to 6 cups of water. Close the lid and cook them for 3 whistles over medium flame. Turn off the flame and keep it aside to cool. Now chop 2 cups of mixed vegetables, beans, carrot, green peas, potato, tomato and onion. Take 1 small lemon size tamarind in a half a cup of hot water and soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now cook the vegetables. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium flame. Add finely chopped onion and saute it well. Add tomatoes and cook it for 1 minute. Now we'll add all the chopped mixed vegetables and saute the vegetables for 4 to 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of water and cook until the vegetables turn soft. It might take around 7 to 8 minutes. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 tablespoons of Bisibelebath powder. Combine everything well and take 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Mix them with the tamarind juice and add this mixture to the vegetable mix and mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the raw smell of tamarind goes away. Now add cooked rice and dal. Mix them well. If the mixture looks too dry, half water and cook them for 4 to 5 minutes. In this stage, add salt and check the taste of the Bisibelebath mixture. Now we'll prepare the tempering. Heat 1 small pan. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee or oil. Add mustard, curry leaves, and now add cashew nuts and groundnuts. Add red chilies. Fry them until cashew nuts and groundnuts turn light golden color. Now remove from the flame and immediately pour the content over the mixture and mix them well. Turn off the flame, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Bisibelebath is ready for serving. Spice powder is the main ingredient that builds your dish, and homemade powder gives a lot of depth and flavor to the dish. You can serve Bisibelebath with boondi, Raita, potato chips, and it's a one-pot meal. You can have it for dinner and lunch. Try this yummy recipe and comment me in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.